Hakeem with AutoFix Pal. Today we are changing the right front mirror on a 2014 Nissan Rogue. 2014 through 2018 are identical body styles, well, almost identical body styles. However, the procedure for changing the right front mirror is identical. So the first thing we need to do is remove the right front inside door panel. You can see I have the door open, waiting for me to get over there and do some things to change some things on this car. Just a side note, 2014 Nissan Rogue Select is a different vehicle. Not sure why it exists. It's an older body style. 2014. I don't know why Nissan did that. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to remove the outer door pull trim. The trim that you see me trying to break free. Actually, that's not the first thing we need to do. The first thing we need to be doing is removing the door handle, the inside door handle release trim. That shiny area at the top where the arrow's pointing, that's the first part we need to be removing. But I did it wrong in this video because I didn't really know what I was doing when I was taking that door panel apart. I mean, I did know what I was doing, but I kind of forgot a little bit. But anyway, we got it together, we got it apart, and we didn't break anything. That's the main objective, to get it apart without breaking anything, and this video will help you do that. So take that part off first, right there where you see me prying right now. Take that trim off first, and then the other trim will come loose, and that's where the screws are hidden, the screws that secure the door panel to the door. Sometimes your door panel retaining clips get stuck inside the door instead of staying with the door panel when you take the door panel off. So make sure you pay attention to that. Be sure to remove all the clips from the door and put them back in your door panel. Otherwise you'll have a loose door panel when you're done with the job, and you don't want that. Alright, so just pay attention. Make sure all your clips are inside the door panel and not stuck inside the door. And just put them back where they belong. If they're broken, you might want to get a replacement. But as long as you got the majority of your clips there, you should be okay. But the best thing to do would be to replace the clips with new clips. So what I like to do here is go on the side of the door panel, look through the crack, and make sure that my clips are lined up with the holes, so that way when I fully seat the door panel up against the door, I'm not breaking any clips in the process.